Hello everyone, I'm Sujata Manashimi and our project is Voice-Enabled AI Chatbot with Context Awareness in LMS. And now today I will present the Sprint 3 retrospective. So first see the team component. So let's dive into our project overview. So our project is basically a automative common queries and tasks within the model through natural languages, and it provides personalized assistance to user based on their roles like student and instructor. The core features are the secure module architecture and UI integration, voice and text enabled. And the benefits of this project is it reduces the repetitive administrative workload, also increase student engagement and accessibility as well. So this is the UI screenshot of our project. And now let's see the flowchart of our project. So when you open the Lumi chatbot, you can see that you can identify the roles as a student or instructor. Then from student and instructor, you can ask the question. For student, you can enroll the courses, grades, assignments, and for each course, you can view the assignment summary and ask due dates as well. And for instructor, you can see ask the course participants grading, submission, and assignment status, and everything has a limited chatbot access as well. So as a team member, we have a work truly 32 hours everyone. So I am Sujata Manashimi as a front-end developer and working as a tester as well. So this is basically our sprint 3 objective and deliverables. We started our sprint on May 13th and finishes in May 25th. And this is the user stories of our sprint 3. So total we have 95 user stories. And this is the sprint retro board of our project. So now we have categories is in 3 sections: how it went well, to improve, and action to the items. And this is the sprint bar bound chart according to our work items. So you can say that everyone works perfectly and finishes the work at the end. And this is the detailed user stories. You can see the scrum number, summary, the issue type, epics, and the details of scope changes and the changes in estimations as well. Here now I will start the individual component, my the personal individual sprint 3 reflection, as I am doing as a front-end developer and tester, so I will cover both. So first see that what I accomplished in the past sprint. As a front-end developer, I developed all the assigned components and done the UI components, everything. Then I have finalized the manual testing and finalized automation testing using the jest, and then documented and submitted all the test case reports, bug reports, and manual and automation test cases as well. Besides, I have completed all GitHub, Jira updates, and Confluence documentation tasks. Now let's see the front-end development part. So as a front-end developer, I have done in total 13 wireframes for our UI chatbot Lumi. So here you can see that I have attached all the screenshot of our chatbot. So some of the screenshot have been like enhanced. So I have attached the further implementation of the chatbot. So now let's see the UI chatbot flowchart. So when any student or instructor go to the home page, they can select two options: student or instructor. From student or instructor, they will go to the Ask Lumi page, and from Ask Lumi page, they can ask 4 questions: FAQ, is it password, voice enabled, voice input, clear chat, and end chat as well. Now let's see the manual testing part. So for manual testing, I have created the test cases first and then manually tested everything. So here this is the detailed test case report I have been uploaded here, and there you can see that in the test trail we have created the test case and the test ID as well. This is the test run report in test trail. So you can see that the 13 pages have been like successfully running now, and it's 100% passed. And this is the test trail report. I have given the drive link on the top. You can see from there. So here we can see that the test trail report is generated, what we have done and when was done perfectly. And this is the Jira connected with the test trail. You can see that due to the reference number, we can go to the Scrum, and from Scrum you can see that which tests are passed, which tests are failed, and then passed, and then reset. So this is the drive link of our test case report of manual testing. You can see that I have maintained 4 reports for manual testing: the bug report, so the test case report, and the traceability report as well. Now let's see the automation testing using Jest. So for automation testing, we have done we have used the Jest, and we have done the integration testing and the unit testing as well. For both page, for all pages, I have done the both test cases. So here you can see that the generated test case report, there it is. We have done 215 test cases which are all passed now, and this is the test trail report. Now here you can see that on the top I have given the test reports. So I have created the bug report as well as the test case report for the testing. So in year sprint 3 I have completed in total 40 user stories. Here I have mentioned all the user stories that I have been covered throughout the sprint 3. So this is the Jira board the action items, and you can see that in this picture I have completed everything, and it's gone to the done section. And this is the detailed Jira board screenshot. So I have also, as a developer, I have maintained the visual code and the codex GitHub code. So here we can see that in the GitHub I have maintained proper commitment. So for as we are working as a team member, so we commit each team member, and then we march it, and then pull by, and then git diff head according to the Git workflow. So this is the evidence of maintaining proper GitHub and Visual Studio Code. Now let's see how did I apply STEAM specific knowledge to my project. As a front-end developer, I built building UI dynamic UI components was very essential. Then I assisted to identify and resolving UI consistency during testing. And for software testing, I developed unit and integration test using Jest, and I also verified the performance, usability, and accessibility testing as well. For agile delivery, we maintain the daily stand-up, sprint planning, and test retro as well. We have maintained the task progress and collaboration via Jira. So this is what I learned from the past sprint is I have I have gone through the I have the ability to write clear, concise bug reports and test summaries in Confluence. Then I have learned to collaborate access with the front end, back end, and documentation effort as well. I also know like the Jira and project write-up, final submission materials, and for the agile sprint methodologies as well. So what could have gone better? I think in my perspective, the frequent UI changes during the sprint required multiple test writers and rewrites and validations. The delay in front-end and back-end component delivery affected the overall test execution schedule as well as we faced some git marks conflicts when making the automation scripts. Then if I want to say the final delivery and contribution for my part, I have done all the test, all the UIs, all the testing, and the test case report as well. Also, I am contributing to the project write-up and promo videos. So for client, our client was very happy with our project, and he gave us 8 out of 10, and described the final outcome as a great, recognizing the quality and dedication shown throughout the project. So this is the evidence that our client gave us the mark, and we have shown him the project. And for conclusion, if I want to say that we have achieved successfully all plant sprint goals, including the all test case reports, all EYs gained valuable experience in, and the way all the EYs and test casing, the board and everything as well. And we are now ready for the final delivery with client feedback loop initiating and incorporated. So thank you everyone for listening my video. Thank you.